guys. You can't go outside because it's locked down. The bugs are here.
What bugs are here, Imaad?
Video.
I make the video?
Yeah.
And what will you do then?
Nothing.
What is Imaad planning to do today?
I'm just going to cook.
Cooking or baking?
Baking.
What are you baking today, Imaad?
A cake.
Imaad is baking a cake. Do you know what type of cake you are baking?
Yeah. It's marble cake.
A marble cake. So I was telling my friends, since we cannot go out because of the lockdown, and we cannot make the videos of our road trips, so we decided that we're gonna do some baking during the lockdown, and we will create a new playlist called Lockdown Cooking with Imaad. High five! So let's get on to it and start it. So what do we need first? First of all, oh, we need to wash our hands. So let's go wash our hands quickly.
Yeah. Let's go. Now we can make it. Now let's do it. To make the cake we need eggs, 2 eggs. And we need 1 cup of water. And we need vanilla. We need Nutella. And we need cake mix.
So let's start baking, Imaad.
Yeah, let's
What is our first step? So what are we gonna add first?
powder.
A cake mix powder?
Yeah. So cut it. Now let's do it. I'll show you. We need cake mix powder. Now put it inside. After we need powder, then we need eggs. The yolk is cooked out.
Can I have that, please?
Yes, you can. Thank you. Oh my god, that's the same. Oh. Yeah. So we are gonna put the eggs in the cake mix, and then now put it in. So now water, please. I can't put it. Put it in.
How much water did we put?
A lot.
No, 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. A little bit of vanilla.
Let me help you with that, please. Let me help you with that because we can't put a lot. So, see there? Okay. There enough?
In my hand.
Here we go, and we have added vanilla. Let's close the lid. Friends, let's see, does Imaad know what is the next step?
Yeah. Mix it.
Oh, so we need to do mixing.
Yay!
We need to mix everything now. So, do you know how to turn that on?
We're gonna mix it.
How it?
We have put the Nutella on the tray.
Now,
Spread it. Spread.
now we're gonna add the mix.
To make a marble design, we need Nutella on top of the cake. Put it. To make the marble cake, we need to make swirls.
Oven is very hot, so I have decided to help Imaad by putting the cake in the oven. You have to please stay away because it's hot.
For 1 hour, we are gonna leave the cake in the oven, and then we'll check if it's done. We have taken out the cake from the oven now. We need to make icing for the cake. Guys, Daddy's gonna help me make the icing.
So Imaad, for the icing,
Yeah.
we need
We need
we need a bowl. So we're gonna add the icing powder. Yes. Yeah.
Ooh,
That's nice.
That's white.
Yes. So it's icing. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. What is the next step?
Water.
So let's add water. Now
Mix it.
Now let's mix it.
I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna put the icing on the cake. I'm gonna put sprinkles. This icing. cook it on top of the cake. And milk. Let's go. Hello guys. Here's our cake. Does it look nice? Comment below. Clap! Clap, Babu! People, is it nice?
You tell them.
Is it nice, people?
It's nice.
Make the cake at home.
It's yum.
Yum. See you in the next video.